Oh no! Look at my giant monster truck! I was playing in the garden, and now it is covered in so much sticky purple mud.
I need to find help to clean this up. Let's drive over to the magic washing station right now. Look! There it is! The magic car wash is just ahead.
Hi, Manager Looloo. Can you help me? My favorite truck lost all its bright colors under this messy mud.
Don't worry, Panda. My team and I can fix this. Drive onto the magic conveyor track, and our color-changing wash will make it brand new. Okay, let's roll onto the magic track. Wow, the machine is moving the truck for me. Step number 1. Look at the giant overhead nozzles. Here come the fluffy pink soap suds. Say it with us. Pink! Wow! The bubbles are so soft. It looks like a giant pink mountain. The track is moving us to the next stop. Get ready, here comes the water. Wash away the soap with bright blue water. Splish, splash!
The mud is completely gone. Now the track is pulling us to the very last stop.
Time to make it shine. Here come the spinning green foam rollers to dry it off. Spin, spin, green! Ta-da! My monster truck changed colors. Look at the beautiful, shiny rainbow paint. Wow, Panda! Your truck looks incredible. We washed away the mud and found pink, blue, and green. Thank you for cleaning the monster truck with us today, friends. See you next time for more color fun. Bye-bye.